India aspires to become the world's third-largest economy. Various positive indicators suggest that India is poised to boost its economy significantly. India aims to become the world's third-largest economy by 2027 and achieve developed status by 2047. Let's delve into India and explore how it is emerging as a global economic powerhouse. One of India's greatest advantages in achieving high economic growth is its demographic dividend. As of 2023, India's population stands at 1.44 billion, expected to keep growing for several decades. In comparison to China, another heavily populated nation, India possesses a significant demographic edge in terms of age. Individuals under 25 years old constitute around 43% of India's population, a stark contrast to China's 28%. This means that India has a young and expanding population that can serve as a robust workforce, contributing to India's economic growth. India's journey toward economic prominence can be attributed to this man, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He has implemented a series of strategic economic reforms that have had a profound impact on enhancing the investment environment in India. The Indian stock market is flourishing, with the number of trading accounts registered on the National Stock Exchange increasing rapidly. The number of registered investors has surged to 190 million by 2024, a rise of 115 million in the last 5 years. Furthermore, the Indian bond market plays a crucial role in India's economic growth and has garnered significant attention from investors. This was evident at the 19th Asia Bond Market Summit India edition, hosted by The Asset. We were delighted at the summit to have Shri Ashwani Bhatia, a whole-time member of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, share his insights on the Indian bond market. Let's hear from him.
The Indian bond markets have been attracting considerable attention in recent times. 2024 marks a significant year, highlighted by India's inclusion in the JP Morgan Government Bond Index. This milestone is expected to substantially boost foreign investor participation, enhancing market depth and liquidity. Bloomberg, of course, comes next in 2025. So inflows into the bond market should be ample. Recently, in an article published by the Observer Research Foundation, an underdeveloped corporate bond market, the Achilles heel of India's growth story, the authors noted that India's aspirations to become the third largest economy by 2027 and a developed one by 2047 needed to be backed by a liquid, deep, and well-functioning debt markets.
Investment has become a cornerstone of India's economy, particularly foreign direct investment. The government continues to refine and implement policies to attract FDI. For instance, the decision to lift FDI caps in the telecom, oil, and defense industries from 2021 has effectively drawn investments from foreign corporations, fostering growth in these sectors. Additionally, India has emerged as a viable alternative to China for many multinational corporations. In recent years, tensions between China and the US have escalated, leading to higher tariffs on Chinese imports and increased costs. Foreign investors are increasingly turning to India as a viable option due to its large workforce and economic strength. Despite the significant progress made, India faces challenges on its journey to becoming the world's third-largest economy. In comparison to global standards, India's infrastructure has notably struggled to keep up with its economic growth, failing to meet the increasing demands of its population and economy. However, this challenge is being addressed as the Modi government has already allocated billions for the enhancement of roads, ports, airports, and railways. This suggests that India's infrastructure landscape will undergo substantial transformations in the coming years. While India benefits from a significant demographic advantage, the country must capitalize on this opportunity effectively. India boasts a young and expanding population. However, the state of education in the country remains a concern. According to a report by Data for India in 2023, a large proportion of Indians above the age of 25 were either illiterate or had only received a primary level education. Merely 15% had completed a higher education program. Consequently, despite having a vast workforce, the educational attainment level may not align with the technical job requirements. Additionally, the low participation of women in the labor force poses another challenge in India. Female workforce participation in India significantly lags behind global standards, largely due to societal biases. The prevailing cultural belief favors males over females, with society often viewing women's roles as primarily being wives or mothers rather than actively participating in the workforce. In summary, India possesses numerous advantages to strive for its position to be the third largest economy by 2027. Nevertheless, before reaching this milestone, India must address certain challenges. The opportunity to become the third largest economy rests squarely in their hands.